This is item number 10744 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Hollymatic 900 EG mixer grinder. So this unit here features a size 32 grind head. You have a 10 horsepower motor for the grind, as well as a 1.5 horsepower motor for the mix. We have a 300-pound capacity hopper, as you see here. It's all stainless construction, including the barrel and auger and ring. All new buttons and controls. This is all ran off 220 volts, 3-phase. Here we'll give you a demonstration. Lock that on there. You have your emergency stop. And if you wanted to connect a foot control, you can do that as well. Right now we're currently just manual. So we'll start with mix. View inside here. So this for mix, it'll spin one direction for a few seconds, and you'll see it stop and rotate the other way. Now we'll start the mix and mince. You hold the button down for 3 seconds. Stop, we can push, or just open the lid, automatically stops. Again, this is item number 10744 with M&M Equipment Corp. This has recently been refurbished and is ready to ship.